Hey, so I really wanted to make a video on how to do the moonwalk in your roller skates. Now, I already have a video explaining this early on in my channel, but I wanted to redo it to try to improve it. First thing, something that is not required, but something that will really help you to do the stance move is to be able to balance on one foot on your tippy toes. So be able to do this on the ball of each of your feet. Whoa. And you don't have to hold it forever, just a couple of seconds. Because when you are in this dance move, it looks like my foot is sliding when I do it, but ideally you should be able to slide your foot without touching the ground. And that's what creates the illusion. Now this tutorial is going to be doing a moonwalk with my toe stops in. You can do it with or without. I think for beginners, it's best to keep your toe stops in and try that way first. So step number one, let's start with our right foot. Actually, let me reverse so you can see it. So it's not the mirror image. So start by putting your right toe stop down like this and practice just moving your left skate, rolling it back and forth. And now try the same thing with your left toe stop down. Go ahead and move that right leg back and forth. Now put your right toe stop down, move it back and forth, and stop in this lunge position. So most of your weight is on my right leg, and I am having my left leg backwards. So it looks like this. Ooh. And try it with your left toe stop down. So plant the left toe stop and roll your right foot back so that you're in a lunge. Roll your right foot back and hold this position. All four of these wheels are on the ground. All four of my right skate wheels are on the ground. And try with the other one. Again, see how far you can lunge comfortably. All right, the next step is to, hold on, which way do I want to do this? I'm trying to figure out what is the easiest way for y'all to watch me and pick up on it the fastest way. And I think, like, if it's a regular dance class, your dance teacher wouldn't be facing you, right? They would be doing this. So anyway, so first, so we did the lunge, right foot is down, and now the next step is to put your other toe stop down. So start like this. I'm going to put my right toe stop down, roll my left leg back, and then put my left toe stop down. And to the side, it looks like this. So I'm putting my right toe stop down, rolling that left leg back, and then putting my left toe stop down. Try it with the other leg. So you're going to start with your left toe stop, put that one down, roll the right leg back, and place the right toe stop down. Left toe stop goes down, right leg rolls back, right toe stop down. So after that, we have, let's start with our right. So far, we rolled our left leg back and put that toe stop down. The next thing we have to do is to pop our right skate up so that we are on all fours. So we're in this position with two toe stops down. Now we have to transition our front bent leg to all fours and straighten that leg. And by now, my left leg is bent. So we're going from this to this. I'll do it with the other foot. I'm gonna put my left toe stop down. I'm gonna roll my right wheels back, put my right toe stop down, and then sort of pop my front leg so that I'm on all fours, and now I'm bending my back leg. A little bit faster, it looks like this if I start with my right toe stop. Starting with my right toe stop. All right, and the next thing is to keep going. We've already learned it both ways. So start with the right toe stop down, bring the leg back, toe stop, straight front leg, bend back leg. Let's pull that straight leg back so that we're in that lunge. Put the toe stop down. Ooh. This is hard to do slow. It's always harder to do it slow, but this is for you. This is for y'all. Pop that front leg so it's straight and the back leg is bent. And keep going. And I'm out of the frame, but hopefully you can get the idea. I'll do it backwards, coming toward the camera. Starting with my right toe stop down. Let me see if I can do this with counts. So with counts, I think it would be 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put my right toe stop down on 7, 8. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 is I roll the foot back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me break this down. I am creating these counts in real time, so bear with me. So what I did was this. I did 5, 6, 7, 8. On beat 7 and 8, I put my toe stop down. On beats 1 and 2, I roll my left leg back. So it's 1, 2. Beat 3, I'm going to put the toe stop down. And beat 4, I'm going to switch. So beat 4, I'm going to put my full skate down on my right leg and bend that back leg. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're in this position and we pull back for 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So coming back towards the camera, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you can't see my skate anymore. I'll try going back this way. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on beat 4 and beat 8, that is when you are sort of doing this motion with your knees. 4 and 8, right? So that is this motion where we switch. So not only am I putting my wheels down on that front foot, but I am straightening the leg. So it's going from straight bent to now oppositionally, conversely, this leg is going to be straight, the other leg is going to be bent. All on the same beat. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. Okay. So once you get the hang of that, let's try it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where you start to see the illusion. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? It's kind of hard to see because I'm in a small space. But you can start to see that sort of optical illusion happening when I really subdivided those counts. In reality, when I'm dancing, I'm not really counting like that in my head. I'm just sort of going with the flow. But when I was first starting to learn this move, it really helped to learn with counts. So another tip with the moonwalk to make it sort of have more style is to use your hips. And the way I like to do it is whatever leg is straight, that's the way I point my hips. So if I start with my right toe up down, I'm going to push my hips out to the left as I bring that leg back. And then when I switch, I'm going to push my hips out to the right. And here's kind of what it looks like. So hips move to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Left, right, left. Those are the basic steps in how I learned to do the moonwalk on my roller skates. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you would like weekly skating tutorials. And hopefully I can be getting outside soon with the nice weather. Unfortunately, it was raining today, but thanks for watching.